Welcome to another edition of the Adventures of Kano in the Rocks. Well, I'm busy cleaning up the garage from a little woodworking project, and he's been outside. And what's he been doing? I don't think he got the rock out of this hole, but he has dug him a crater. My guess is there was a critter out here, ground squirrel or a mole or something. Some more of Kano's handiwork. He's been busy. Got more over here. Got two more craters over there. Now this is just from the mole. He hasn't been digging this, but I'm sure if he sees it, he will. Or if he thinks there's somebody there. And there's another hole. I guess he doesn't think I have enough to do. Looks like I get to move some dirt now. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. He's happy. So he has to get his feet washed. Everyone have a great day.
What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching another edition of the Adventure of Kano in the Rocks. Please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Everyone have a great day.